In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a file into Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to enhance your spreadsheet with additional data or link important documents for reference, Google Sheets offers a user-friendly way to seamlessly incorporate files into your workflow. Let's dive in and explore the steps to make this process simple and efficient for you. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. You can do this by typing Google Sheets into the address bar or simply searching for it on Google. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, you'll be prompted to sign in if you haven't already. Use your Google account credentials for this step. If you're already signed in, you'll directly see your Google Sheets dashboard filled with your existing spreadsheets. Next, from your dashboard, open the specific spreadsheet where you want to insert your file. You can either create a new sheet by clicking on the plus blank button or select an existing sheet from your listed documents. With your spreadsheet open, you're ready to insert the desired file. Here's where it might get a bit interesting. Instead of embedding a file directly, you'll need to utilize Google Drive as the mediator for this process. But don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. First, upload the desired file to your Google Drive. To do this, open a new tab, go to Google Drive, and click on New, then File Upload. Choose the file you want to insert in your Google Sheets from your computer and upload it to Google Drive. Once uploaded to Google Drive, return to your Google Sheets. Now, decide in which cell you would like to link your file. Click on this cell to select it. With the cell selected, go up to the toolbar and click on Insert, then choose Link. A dialog box will pop up. Here you have the choice to either paste the link to your file directly if you copied it from Google Drive, or search for the file through the Google Drive option within this dialog. If you choose to search your Google Drive, simply start typing the name of your file, and Google Sheets will offer suggestions as it searches through your Drive contents. When you see the correct file, click on it to select it. Then, hit the Apply button to insert the file link into the cell. And there you have it. The link to your file is now part of your Google Sheet, ready to be accessed by anyone with the appropriate permissions. Lastly, don't forget to adjust the sharing settings for your files on Google Drive. Share them with specific people, or change the settings to anyone with the link can view, depending on your needs. And there you go. That's how you can insert a file into Google Sheets, making it a versatile tool for collaborative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.